हाय एवरीवन, मेरा नाम मानुषी है और मैं फर्स्ट ईयर MBBS स्टूडेंट हूँ BPS गवर्नमेंट मेडिकल कॉलेज फॉर वुमेन सोनीपत में। मैंने यहाँ पे ऑल इंडिया की सीट सिक्योर करी है थ्रू AIPMT 2015। मैं 12 घंटे पढ़ने वाले बच्चों में से बिल्कुल भी नहीं हूँ और मैं
If there's one person I'd really like to thank for everything, it's her. Because now that I think about the girl I was, now that I think about the girl that I was at that time when I walked into the auditions and who I am today, the amount of growth that I've seen in myself, the change, the metamorphosis, it's all better, and I couldn't have done this alone. I had a team. I'd say that I had sleepless nights, but I wasn't alone. I had the entire team. We would sit till 7 a.m. in the morning. And, I didn't even feel like cribbing at that time because I knew that the team had to attend office the next day as well. So they'd just go home, they'd shower, they'd have breakfast, and they'd come back to office.
Yeah, we did shower.
But,
okay.
but they did stand by me. And it was a dream that wasn't only mine, it was a dream we all lived together. And when I was being crowned, it was not just Jai Mata Di and running around, but for the first time I saw this woman cry. And I think for the first time I saw the tough Natasha Grover. She was very tough. She made sure that she would take my case right, left, and center. And I couldn't even utter a single word in front of her. But I think that was the first time I saw that side of Natasha. And, I think it was a very proud moment for me. Yes, Natasha, it is not about you, but I think you're the first person I'd really like to thank.
Thank you. Thanks.
And then definitely, I think everyone, right from the start when I was crowned Miss India, everyone has been so encouraging me because I didn't believe in myself. I was someone who was very different. I had never seen this side of the world. I was someone who had only seen books. And I think I didn't even know what a concealer was, I'll be very honest. But day by day, it was a lot of people who encouraged me, who pushed me forward, who told me that I could do a lot. Not just the international pageants team, but the entire team who traveled with me through these places, which would not have been approachable otherwise. For my Beauty with a Purpose project, we brought this together as a team. The online team who worked so hard on covering everything that I did. And I really can't put names because it's a huge family, but I think I have my country to thank.
हाय एवरीवन, मेरा नाम मानुषी है और मैं फर्स्ट ईयर MBBS स्टूडेंट हूँ BPS गवर्नमेंट मेडिकल कॉलेज फॉर वुमेन सोनीपत में। मैंने यहाँ पे ऑल इंडिया की सीट सिक्योर करी है थ्रू AIPMT 2015। मैं 12 घंटे पढ़ने वाले बच्चों में से बिल्कुल भी नहीं हूँ और मैंने AIPMT की तैयारी स्टार्ट करी थी इन माई 12th और तभी मैंने रवि सर से फिज़िक्स के लिए कोचिंग ली थी बिकॉज जिस सब्जेक्ट में सबसे ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम आती है एंट्रेंस में वो होती है फिज़िक्स, क्योंकि फिज़िक्स इज़ ऑल कॉन्सेप्ट बेस्ड। और सर, थैंक्स टू सर, मेरे जितने भी कॉन्सेप्ट्स थे फिज़िक्स में काफ़ी ही क्लियर ऑल माई कॉन्सेप्ट्स। और चाहे तुम जितना भी फिज़िक्स इज़ वन सब्जेक्ट जितना भी तुम रट लो उसमें तुम थोड़े बहुत मार्क्स सिक्योर कर सकते हो, पर एंट्रेंस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से यू हैव टू गेट योर कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर, क्योंकि क्वेश्चंस आर नॉट दैट स्ट्रेट एंड सिंपल। तो सर ने हमेशा जैसे डाउट सॉल्विंग, एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस दी, डाउट्स में हेल्प करा काफ़ी ज़्यादा। एंड हमेशा सर बहुत मोटिवेटेड रखते हैं। और मैं फुल टाइम स्कूल भी जाती थी एंड साथ के साथ मैंने इवन अपना स्कूल स्टूडेंट काउंसिल की मेंबर थी, मैंने स्कूल में बहुत पार्टिसिपेट करा है। तो ऐसा नहीं है कि पूरा टाइम बिल्कुल पढ़ते रहना होता है, आराम से रिलैक्स करके सारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर करके पढ़ो। वर्क स्मार्ट, यू डोंट हैव टू वर्क हार्ड, यू हैव टू वर्क स्मार्ट। तो थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच। एंड फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में मेरा AIPMT क्लियर हो गया, सो थैंक यू, बाय बाय, ऑल द बेस्ट।
And there you have it, Miss World 2017.
Marissa Tiller is Miss World 2017.
Beauty with a Purpose.
Yeah, actually, I mean, we want to know about this project, Shakti, Manushi, because this has really created wonders outside of our country, in our country, and well, please talk more about that, because we want to know more about that.
Beauty with a Purpose was something that I feel is very relevant today, because when you do something, you need to have a purpose to it. Otherwise, it's not worth doing. That's what I've always believed. It was just an idea that I had as an 18-year-old that a lot of incidents had happened that I had seen on a personal level that I realized I need to be able to spread light on this issue. But as an 18-year-old, I just took the decision, but the vision that to actually execute the project came to me with time. I remember when I first presented my project in front of the Miss India team, I think they were very kind to have shortlisted it as well, because it was the most vague, the most visionless project, because all it was an idea and very small attempts. But for me to stand over there and I wasn't expecting to be finalized for the project, but for me to even stand over there and explain the project, I didn't know what to say because I had not prepared anything on that. And then, of course, they planned to take up the same project on feminine hygiene, and we presented in front of the Miss World team as well. And I still remember, I was in the top 20, and we had a viewing, and that was the day Natasha had landed in China. And I saw all the top 20 projects, and my mind just went, I was boggled. I said, there is so much good in this world that we can do. Be it for the environment, be it for children, be it for women, for everyone, for animals. There is so much in the world that we can do. And I felt so proud that my project was one of those projects, because when I saw others, I was amazed. And to be in that group of projects, for me, it was an honor. And I went up to Miss Julia Mole, and I remember I told her, thank you so much for accepting my project. And she told me, thank you so much for bringing such a wonderful project to us. I didn't expect to win the Beauty with a Purpose award, but the moment I knew I had won the Beauty with a Purpose award, I think I was not nervous the entire day during the show. I didn't feel nervous for some reason, because I felt that, of course, we're all here. We did have a vision, or we did desire to win the crown, but I think Beauty with a Purpose meant so much more to all of us, which is why the entire Miss World team and all my continental winners, Bani, Joe, Steve, everyone is here, starting from my home country, on this beautiful tour that we're going to go on, not just on my project, but on many other projects on different issues that we're going to do this year. Because it's all about, it's not about what we have out here, but it's about what we can do with what we have out here and in here. And with this, with our heart, I think when we are able to use all of this in sync with our heart, then we can do wonders as young women. So thank you so much, Miss India and Miss World, for giving us young women an opportunity, the confidence that we can do anything. And I think this is something that I said in my final answer during Miss India as well, that before coming to Miss India, all I had was a purpose. But when I came to Miss India, during those 30 days spent with 30 beautiful girls from all across my country, I got a vision. And that vision told me that I can make a difference in this world. So thank you, everyone, for joining us. I think I can't express my gratitude for being a part of my journey since the very day I walked into the auditions till today. And I hope that I keep achieving things not only for myself, but for the people around me, for my country, for the world. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Manushi. Wow, that was amazing.